Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we're gonna learn how to do a fakie frontside shove it. We're not gonna pop this time, we're gonna reserve that for next trick when you do a fakie pop shove it. So let's just get comfortable first with the fakie frontside shove. So this trick is very similar to the regular frontside shove it because the foot position is pretty much the same. Your front foot is on the tail in the pocket, so you can scoop your board in front of you, and your back foot is on the bolts just there to quickly lift up, and when the board turned 180 then you put it back to catch the board. So you roll in fakie, you push your board with your front foot in front of you and then wait for the turn, and then you put it back and catch it. So that's how it is. That's the fakie frontside shove. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned because Thursday is going to be a new trick coming, and hit subscribe. At the same time, when you're done watching the tutorial, please go out, grab your board and go skate and have fun.